Someone said you cannot pour out of an empty cup. It is only that which you have within you that you can give out. True of us. A lot of your friends can't call you in times of crisis. Your friends can't rely on you for good advice, but you've got nothing. You go from watching Big Brother to watching football, and before you know, 24 hours is gone. If you look at your life and look at yesterday, do you think you did anything yesterday with the whole of the 24 hours that will take you closer to your dreams and goals in life? But most of us know. And that's the truth. So how are you going to achieve your dreams? How are you going to get to where you want to get to in life if you're not doing the things that will take you right there? I practically said the other day, if you're going to go to Lagos and you're facing worry, are you ever going to go to get to Lagos? And the problem is a lot of us don't even know why. That's why we don't. We're not going in the right direction. Because if you know what's driving, if you decide within you and say, I just want to make it in life, you won't be on the phone talking to your friends. My friends are here, ask them most time, I always say, I've got to shoot. Once we're talking, I'm telling you, I've got to go. It's not because someone else is calling me, I don't want to waste my time chatting shit with you. I'm paid per seconds. And this is the truth in life. Most people will not value your time because they don't value their time. They want to call you and talk about the weather and talk about football. Who is here? Because you don't value your time, you will never value my time. So when you call me and you start talking things that are not contributing to my life, and there's no problem I want to solve for you, you've got to go. You get to me. I'm happy to solve your problem because in solving your problem, I'm becoming better. I'm becoming more creative, more intelligent, and I will do it for free because the greatest amongst us will be our servants. But guess what I won't do? Be on phone and chat nonsense with you. Be on phone for you to be asking me, how are you? I'm fine! If I'm not fine, I'll be in the hospital. You're calling me to ask me, how are you? I just want to check up on you. Okay, thank you. Our family. Boy, you told me that time my family is sick. And that's what we'll never spend our time doing. You've got like 20 friends on WhatsApp. All of them will call you, bro, how you doing? Our family, what's up? You will spend, the annoying thing is that you will spend your data, your hard-earned money answering those stupid questions. And then you're wondering why you're not moving forward in life. You have limited resources. Time, money. You spend your money to buy data, and then you spend your time on that data talking to people who are not going anywhere in life. My dad would say, never allow someone who's not traveling make you miss your flight. A lot of people are not going, they're not going anywhere in life. They don't know where they're going in life. Your parents are working hard to get you to where you are today. You want to make it in life. Have you seen Nigeria? It is tough out there.